It's a tornado watch.
Okay. Focus.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 108, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina, Caswell and Rockingham, and the following counties in Virginia: Bedford, Carroll, Floyd, Franklin, Halifax, Henry, Patrick, and Pittsylvania, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Bedford, Danville, and Martinsville. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.